Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out SaleHoo, right? And maybe you're wondering, is this a good way for you to make money online? Let's check it all out. Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out SaleHoo to find out if this is the good or the ugly. Is this a good way for you to make money online? What is this all about? Okay. Now, SaleHoo is a very cool little website, right? It's been around for many years, since 2005. It's originally from New Zealand. They're essentially a dropshipping directory and a way for you to find wholesale suppliers. Okay, so if you've got a dropshipping business, right, or you want to start a dropshipping business, this is definitely one of those things that that you'll need. Okay, so it allows you to find suppliers and products. They've got access to 8,000 vetted suppliers, right? 2.5 million products. Now, the reason why you want something like this is because it's going to be easier for you to find products than just using things like AliExpress. Okay, now AliExpress is great, but a lot of dropshippers use AliExpress, so it becomes very competitive. AliExpress doesn't have access to all products all over the world, right? It's a good start, but it doesn't have access to everything. And so if you want access to other products, then sometimes it can be very difficult to find them on your own. For example, if you're gonna do a Google search and things like that, you may find some, but you're not gonna find all right? So a resource like SaleHoo is gonna save you a lot of time, right? You wanna find some very specific suppliers, and you want to get access to them, in consumer electronics, home and garden, mobile phones, toys and games, antiques, for example, then you want to use something like SaleHoo to be able to give you access to that, all right? So they'll give you contact information, websites, prices, right? You can actually log in. Now, what I do want to mention is that I would use SaleHoo to find out the names and the websites of the suppliers and then go to their website specifically to check out their full catalog, because SaleHoo is not going to have the full catalog on their website. They'll have some products, but not everything. Okay, so yes, it's still going to take a little bit of time. This is not a magic button that you can press, but SaleHoo's directory will help you to save a lot of time and get access to products and suppliers that you may not have otherwise gotten access to. Okay, so that's the first thing, right? And let me just show you a couple of other things that they do as well. So I think it's essential for everybody to have a kind of directory, especially if you want to start a dropshipping business, okay? And there's a few things that they do, okay? So first of all, let's look at the prices, right? If you want to get access to the directory, it's $67 a year or $127 lifetime access. I would probably just get the $127. I mean, it's up to you, right? If you're on a budget, get $67. If you have a little bit more money, $127. It's not expensive to save you a ton of time and give you access to a lot of different suppliers, right? Now, not only that, SaleHoo also has an automatic integration with AliExpress. Okay, so if you want to automate your dropshipping store, if you want to work with AliExpress, import some products, right? And it's only you're a solopreneur, I would start with a basic plan if you're a dropshipper. All right, $27 a month, not expensive. Honestly, it's just part of doing business. You don't really need the premium plan until later, because this is 3 user accounts in 3 dropshipping stores. The goal is to get 1 dropshipping store profitable first. So I would always start with a basic plan. All right, and the other thing they have is SaleHoo Educate. So if you don't know how to dropship, you can literally buy a training course from them on dropshipping on Shopify, right? $47, ridiculously low. Okay, Amazon FBA, $47 as well, ridiculously low. I have purchased a dropshipping course for $5,000. Okay, now this course is not bad, right? You may need other information to kind of supplement this, but honestly, $47, you can't lose with $47, okay? It's a good foundation on how to start a dropshipping store, all right? Again, most dropshipping products that I've seen, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. So they've got actually a very, very affordable plan right here, all right? So overall, I think SaleHoo is pretty good. All right, I think you absolutely need a directory because you need to find suppliers, right? If you want to have a dropshipping store, this is a cool way. It's not expensive, right? And if you don't know how to do it, then they can teach you how to do it as well. Another thing that people have said about SaleHoo, which is great, is the customer service is awesome, right? So Trustpilot, 4.4 star, 4.4 out of 5 stars, 460 reviews, 89% have said that it's great. Now, sure, there are some complaints, some people, again, it's a very small percentage. I mean, it's like 1%, 3%, 1 stars. Generally speaking, people have had a really great experience with SaleHoo, and a lot of people have said their customer service is really good, which is really rare for a software company. So I think that SaleHoo is doing a really good job. Okay, now one thing that I want to mention about dropshipping, this is not SaleHoo, okay? I think SaleHoo is a really cool resource and platform. This is more for you if you have not started dropshipping and you don't really know how to do it and you want to start. Okay, just understand something about dropshipping is that even though the directory, the dropship, and the educate here on SaleHoo is not expensive, running a dropshipping business is expensive. Okay, you just have to understand that, because you need to run paid ads. It's $1,000 to $3,000 to run your paid ads, right? On Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and Google Shopping ads. So it's not cheap, and the profit margins are very small, and you need a little bit of cash flow to front your products. Okay, so just understand that, right? So you need to have at least a few $1,000s a month to run a dropshipping business, even though the SaleHoo stuff isn't that expensive, right? Again, this is basic costs of running a business. I mean, $27 a month to run your automation is actually really cheap, but that's not the only cost, and you just have to get that. All right. The other thing about dropshipping that a lot of people don't know, and I know because I ran a dropshipping business, is the profit margins are super tiny. Okay, you're selling physical stuff, there's a manufacturing cost. When you add in, all of this stuff, the cost of running ads and all that stuff, it's about 10% profit margins, which is ridiculously small, which means that you have to make thousands of sales a month if you want to make big profit. Okay, now that doesn't mean that there aren't people that are doing well with dropshipping. You just have to understand that that is the nature of the beast. All right, high cost, low profit, it's a volume game. And if you're okay with that, then go ahead and start a dropshipping business. But I just wanted to mention that because a lot of people don't know that. I didn't know that. And in the end, I decided not to run the dropshipping business. I did something else, right? But a lot of people don't realize that that is kind of the model, okay? Again, that's outside SaleHoo. If you decide to do dropshipping, I think that this is a great resource to help you on your journey, if that makes sense, okay? So if you want to check it out, SaleHoo.com. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're a beginner, maybe you don't know how to make money online, maybe you stumbled across this, maybe you've heard someone talk about dropshipping and you're not sure, you're just in research mode. On this channel, I have researched hundreds and hundreds and tested hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? And out of all of them, there was one that I used to completely change my life. I used it to generate multiple 5 figures a month and replace my full-time income. And if you want to check out that strategy, I actually teach it in detail on my free masterclass. If you want to check it out, it's just below this video. Okay, there's a link right below. You can check that out if you want. I hope you enjoyed this review of SaleHoo. All the best to you. See you on the next video review. Take care.